Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm so glad to see you in my channel. Today we will talk about the psychology of money. About this book, I read this book in Turkish language because I'm studying in Turkish university, and it's my insights from this book. Okay, let's start it. So, about the book, The Psychology of Money. Maybe it will be corny, but I will talk about it. My first lesson is patience. Patience is the foundation of everything. If you rush, you often make mistakes. Long-term thinking things wins over impulsive action. And the second, my lesson will be corny too. Very corny. The second lesson is to save more than you spend. There is a powerful idea in the book that some days can completely change our lives. Life is full of surprise, and it's true. Unexpected expenses can appear from nowhere, and we may not be ready for them. That's why, in order not to be caught off guard of financial difficulties, we need to save money, to have something set aside for difficult times. And my third lesson is about history. The book clearly explains that we should study history, but history does not guarantee repetition. People desperately want to know what will happen in the future, but that's impossible. And this connects to the second lesson: save money, because uncertainty is part of life. The fourth lesson, and probably the most important one, is getting rich is easy, but staying rich is much harder. To remain wealthy, there is one very simple rule. Everyone knows it, but only a few actually follow it. That word is enough. The book explains this beautifully. You need to know when to tell. And I also really like that the author writes a letter to his child. It was so cute. In that letter, he clearly explains how to approach the world and how to think about money and life. I appreciate that kind of parenting psychology, and I personally took note of it. Overall, the book is very interesting and educational. I highly recommend it to everyone. At the end, there is also a story about America and how politicians made economic decisions after World War II. That part is more focused on economics, and it was very interesting to read. I took many deep insights from this book, and I plan to apply them in my life. I hope you will like this book too, and I really recommend it to this book to read. Please read this book. It's a really unbelievable cool book. Love you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.